When two different materials are rubbed together, electric charges are produced. The balloon loses electrons and becomes positively charged, while the cloth becomes negatively charged. The electric field produced around these charged objects is called the triboelectric field. This effect is common in daily life, such as balloons sticking to walls or sparks in dry weather. Other definition is, triboelectric field is the electric field produced due to charges generated by friction between two different materials. The triboelectric effect is widely used in science, industry, and daily life wherever static electricity is required. Like photocopiers and laser printers, they bring documents to life with precision and speed, a marvel of modern tech. Electrostatic air purifiers charge dust and smoke particles by friction.
Triboelectric nanogenerators, or TENGs, convert mechanical energy like walking or vibration into electrical energy.
Let's understand about electrostatics.
Electrostatic induction is a method of charging an object without direct contact.
Electrostatic induction is the process where a charged object creates an electric field that causes charge separation in a nearby conductor. Electrostatic induction is like when you rub a balloon and it sticks to a wall. The wall's electrons shift, creating opposite charges that attract.
When a charged body is brought near a neutral conductor, charges inside the conductor rearrange. Opposite charges are attracted, and like charges are repelled. If the conductor is grounded, extra charges escape, making the object permanently charged.
After removing the rod, the conductor remains charged without ever touching the rod. Electric field lines guide the motion of electrons, illustrating the fundamental interactions of static electricity. Electrostatic induction is the charging of a body without direct contact by the influence of a nearby charged object. Why no contact is needed? Because electric forces act through electric fields, not physical touch. Induced charge depends on distance from inducing charge, geometry of conductor, and dielectric medium.
Key features. Occurs mainly in conductors. Charge conservation is obeyed.
Electrostatic induction is the charging of a conductor by the influence of a nearby charged body without direct contact. The triboelectric effect is mainly due to Answer: C. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, the glass rod becomes positively charged because B. It loses electrons.
The triboelectric effect occurs most effectively between two dissimilar materials.
Which of the following is not produced directly by the triboelectric effect? Answer: C.
Electrostatic induction involves charging of a body without contact. Electrostatic induction occurs mainly in B. Conductors, B.
Grounding in electrostatic induction is used to allow excess charge to flow to Earth. Subscribe and share.